So hi everyone, in this video we will learn that how to connect to a remote host using VS Code. Okay, so I will show you that I have already opened an Oracle database or Oracle Linux in the VirtualBox. Okay, so we will connect to this VirtualBox VirtualBox machine using this VS Code. Okay, so for that we first need to install an module for the VS Code so that we can connect with it. Okay, so here this is the module, or we can say a plugin. Okay, so this is remote SSH. Okay, so this has been published by the Microsoft. So we just need to install this will going to help us in connecting to the remote host using the VirtualBox. So here it has been installed. So when it has been already installed, okay, so you can see this uh, icon here. So you can connect with the virtual machine using this. Okay, so let me show you. Okay, so for connecting to the remote host, okay, so we will first try to click on this open a remote host. Okay, so here we need to select this connect current windows to the host. Okay, so we already host on our Windows machine, so that for exactly if you want to connect with the new host, so you can type the username and the host name. Okay, so enter it. Here we need to select this as a config. Done. And then just click on the connect. It will start to connect with the host. Okay, so wait for the VS Code to the connect with it. So you can see that on the screen it is asking for the password, so we will going to give a password. Okay, so here our virtual machine password. So now it will going to be connect. Okay, so wait for it to connect. It will start to download a VS Code server for connecting to the remote host. When it's done with the downloading and installation, it will connect with the remote server. So just we need to wait till it going to be connect. It will take some time. Okay, so I think it has been connected. It's showing the terminal. Inside this we will get our connection. Okay, so now it's activating the extension. I think it's done right now. Okay, so you can see that we are connected to our remote host. Okay, so this is our remote host. Let me show you that host name. Okay, so this is our host name, right? So in this way we can connect with the remote host. Okay, using the VS Code. You can also open the folder. Okay, so here we are in the Oracle home directory. Okay, on the virtual machine. So if you want to go inside it, you can select the OK. So again it will connect the connection. Again we need to give the Oracle password for the remote machine. Okay, it's checking. Got connection 1 2. So here it is. I think it's opened right now. We are in the Oracle home directory. Okay, this is the Oracle home directory. Downloads. So it has been open inside this. Okay, so you can also, yeah, you can see that when we click on the files, it's open on the VS Code, like the index.html, export.ch, right? And if you want to create a file inside, you can create the file. Like we want to get the get time. Okay, get time.sh. So here we have created a file. Let's try to give echo date, right? So this has been done. You can save it, and it has been saved. Okay, so let's go inside the cd downloads. Cd again downloads. So you can see that we are having the get time sh file. Okay, that we did created using the VS Code. Okay, so you can run it. Likewise I am going to run it .sh. Permission denied. Okay, so it's saying that permission denied. Let's see that Oracle again. So change the part to 777 to all. Okay, done. So again we will going to re-execute it. Get time. Okay, so it's showing us that as current time. Okay, so here in this way you can create a file using the VS Code and run that file on the remote host. Okay, so this is how we can create it and connect to the remote host using the virtual machine. Okay, so guys, this will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video.